Hi there, Robin here. These are spice lids from Jarware, and they come in a different colors. So this set happens to be, of course, the orange and the blue. They also come in a black and white set. The advantages of this, of course, we get the shaker on one side and we get the spout so we can actually pour out on the other side. Very convenient, very easy to use. These go on the regular mouth jar sets. So also note they fit on all three jar sizes, which happen to be the 4, 8, and 16 ounce, but the lids do have to be the standard size. And we're going to take out the actual center puck just like this. Use the retainer, slide this. Now this is something we learned. You do have to pop these open first or else the actual catches get caught. And now we can put that back down. But so once we've placed it in, we can actually just screw the lid on just like that. And there you go, ready to be used. Now let's fill them up. And why do you want to use these? Well, a lot of times everybody's just doing this, right? Buying bulk size packages. This happens to be my steak spice I use on the barbecue. And of course, I want to bring this outside, but if I forget it outside, I've brought the whole thing outside. So I'm going to pour some in here, and this is just going to keep things safer. So this just helps keep things safer outside. I don't have to worry about it. I like it. It makes life a lot easier to use. We've gone from that big container to a conveniently sized container, which I can either use on the shaker side or pour out the spices just like that. So of course, you don't just have to put spices in there. Put anything, of course, you want in there. This happens to be our Parmesan cheese. And again, we're buying it in bulk, right? So, you know, you get this big container that you leave in the fridge and sometimes you forget things out. And of course, I wouldn't want to leave this out all the time. So here we are. We're going to fill this up. This is all set. And again, it's just safer to have it in here. I don't have to leave this out all the time. I can put that back in the fridge. Bring this in and out all the time with me. I don't have to worry about it. Easy to wash up, easy to take care of, easy to manage, that's for sure. So remember, you are going to get yourself a 2-pack of the spice lids, and it just makes life that much better. I hope this video helped you out today in your buying decision. Maybe I'll see you next one. Let's say thanks for watching. Bye for now.